Dear students, welcome to Maths class 9. Today let us discuss equality of matrices. Look at the board. I have written that equality of matrices. It's so easy concept. I need not to explain more. So equal. I look at this please. Two matrices A, B, C, D is equal to E, F, G, H. Two matrices are said to be equal when their corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding in the sense E corresponds to A, F corresponds to B, G corresponds to C, so H corresponds to D. That means to become these two matrices becomes equal only when A is equal to E, B is equal to F, C is equal to G, D is equal to H. If this happens, surely these two matrices are equal. These two matrices becomes equal. So that means two matrices are said to be equal when their corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding in the sense related. E is related to A, F is related to B, G is related to C, H is related to D. That means if A is equal to E, B is equal to F, C is equal to G, D is equal to H. If this happens, you can say the matrices are equal. I hope you understood this concept very well. Now let's move on to solving problems based on this. Let us solve problems on this. Right. First question. Right. Find if x plus 3, z plus 4, 2y minus 7, minus 6, a minus 1, 0, b minus 3, minus 21, 0 is equal to 0, 6, 3y minus 2, minus 6, minus 3, 2c plus 2, 2b plus 4, minus 21, 0. Find A, B, C, X, Y and Z. Here it is asked. So here we are given two equal matrices. Using that equation, we need to calculate A value, B value, C, X, Y and Z. It's so easy. It is so easy. Now clearly x plus 3 must be equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. From that x is equal to minus 3. We got x value. Now let's z plus 4. Z plus 4 is equal to 6. From that z is equal to 6 minus 4, 2. So right, next 2y minus 7 is equal to 3y minus 2. So y required. From this equation, we need to calculate y value. So for that, you bring y terms on one side, the other terms to other side. Let us go for that. 3y, I said y terms right side, minus 7 bring that minus 2 plus this side, plus 2. Send y terms to right side, 3y minus 2y. Minus 7 plus 2, it is minus 5. 3y minus 2y, it is y. We got y value also. We calculated x, y, z. So now let's go for finding ABC. So right, we have a here. So from that a minus 1 should be equal to minus 3. A minus 1 is equal to minus 3. That implies a is equal to minus 3 plus 1. A is equal to minus 2. We got a value. Now let's think of B. So you find out where that B is in that matrix. We have B minus 3 here. B term. The B term is here. So you take that out. B minus 3. So in the place of B minus 3 in the second matrix, we have 2B plus 4. B minus 3 should be equal to 2B plus 4. 2B plus 4. So now you find out B value. So bring B terms on one side. Minus 3, bring that 4 this side. Minus 4. 2B minus 3. Minus 3 minus 4. Minus 7. 2B minus B, it is B. So we got B also. So finally, still one more value is one more C is left to find out. Here we have C, 2C plus 2. In the place of 2C plus 2, we have 0. So right, let us equate 2C plus 2 must be equal to 0. 2C is equal to minus 2. C is equal to minus 2 by 2 minus 1. We calculated, we calculated x, y, z as well as ABC. X, y, z as well as ABC. Now let's find out, let's go for one more question. So easy question. So right. Find the values of, let us solve one more question. Find A, B, C and D. So from the equation, from 2A plus B, A minus 2B, 5C minus B, 4C plus 3D is equal to 4 minus 3, 11, 24. Here we are given, again same concept. Here we are given two equal matrices. By using that, so we should find out that A, B, C, D values. It's so easy. Look at this solution. In the place of 2A plus B, we have 4. So right, you collect that. 2A plus B is equal to 4. Clearly it is a linear equation. If I get linear equation, one more linear equation of same type, I can easily solve for A and B. I can easily find out A value and B value. So one more linear equation related to this, here we have, here it is, that is A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. We have got so two linear equations in A and B. We are ready with two linear equations in A and B. Let us solve. You know how to solve linear equations. If I multiply second equation by 2, I am going to get 2A. On subtracting 2A to A get cancels. So if A get cancels, surely you will get B value. Let us do that. Let us go for do that. 2. So 2A plus B is equal to 4. 2 into A, 2A minus 4B is equal to 3 to 6. Subtract. And subtracting 2A becomes 0 because 2A minus 2A is 0. B subtract B minus or minus plus. While subtracting we use one minus. That minus and this minus becomes plus. Minus into minus plus. B minus or minus plus. B plus 4B plus B 5B. Again we are doing subtraction. So on subtraction, so while doing subtraction, minus of minus becomes plus. 6 plus 4 is 10. B is equal to 5 to 10. We got the B value. If I substitute this B value in any one of these two equations, I can easily calculate A value. 2A plus B is equal to 4. Substitute for B. 2A plus 2 is equal to 4. 2A is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. A is equal to 1. We got A value also. To find out C and D, again you collect two linear equations in C and D. So to find out C value and D value, you collect two linear equations in C and D. On solving them, you will get C and D also. Right? You take here we have 5C minus D is equal to 11. One more equation, 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. So look at this linear equations. If I multiply first equation by 3, so I will get 3D. If I multiply first equation by 3, I get 3D. On adding 3D get cancels. We can find C value. Multiply by 3. Multiply full equation by 3. 5 3s are 15. 15C minus 3 into D. 3D. 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33. Next, 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. You go for adding. On adding, DD get cancels. Minus 3D plus 3D. Minus 3D plus 3D. The same terms with opposite signs become 0. So write 15 plus 4, 19. 19C. Here I am doing addition. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 2, 5. C is equal to 19. How many times? 19 3s are. 19 3s are. We got the C value also. Still we have to calculate D value. So you take one among these two. You select any one equation from these two. Right? I take 5C minus D is equal to 11. Substitute for C to get D. C is 3, 5 3s are 15. Minus D is equal to 11. Set minus the right side, bring 11 this side. 15 minus 11 is equal to D. D is equal to, so tell me that it is 4. We got A, B, C, D values. This is how one can easily find A, B, C, D whenever there is a question of this type. Okay, let's move on to one more question. So the question is find x, comma, y and z if x plus y to 5 plus z xy is equal to 6 to 5 8 6 to 5 8. Again it is so easy. that is the question. Here two equal matrices are given. So you know this very well. I need not to explain much. X plus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6. 2 is equal to 2. 5 plus z is equal to 5. One more. Xy is equal to 8. Xy is equal to 8. From this, z can be calculated easily. Z is equal to 5 minus 5. It is 0. We got z value. Now let's find out x and y. X and y. To calculate x and y values, you should consider these two. From this y, tell me y is equal to 8 by x. Substitute in this. X plus 8 by x is equal to 6. Then say x1 plus 8 by x is equal to 6. Bring that this side. So that implies x1 6 into x 6x. 6 into x 6x. Bring that 6x this side. Minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. We got quadratic equation. On solving quadratic equation, I am going to get x values. 8. Tell me factors of 8. Factors of 8. 4 2s minus into minus plus. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. That is x1 minus 4x minus 2x plus 8 equals 0. So x common, x minus 4 minus 2, x minus 4. Tell me two factors. X minus 4 equals 0 or x minus 2 equals 0. X is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. I got 2 x values. Now let's find out y values. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to 8 by x. That is 8 by 4. It is 2. 8 by 4, 2. One more option. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 8 by 2. 2 4s are. So I got x 4. 2 4s are. This is how we solve this type of questions. So easy. So I hope you all understood it very well. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you, students.